In this video, we show you how to warm up your browser profiles with the Incogniton cookie collector. In the Profiles overview, select the profiles you want to warm up. A toolbar appears at the bottom. Click the cookie icon to open the cookie collector. First, enter the websites you want the profiles to visit, or save your own set for later use. You can load the default list, paste your own URLs, then choose the crawling options. The browser can click random links on each page, visit the URLs in random order, and scroll down on pages, just like a real user would. Under the browser options, you can mute audio, or you can also uncheck Show Browser Window to run the cookie collector in headless mode so everything happens in the background. Finally, set the maximum runtime in seconds and click Start Collecting. The browser profiles now launch and visit the websites automatically. In this example, we keep the browser windows visible so you can see the cookie collector browsing, clicking links, and accepting cookie banners on its own. When the runtime is over, the browsers close automatically. Your browser profiles now have a realistic browsing history and cookies, making them warmed up and ready for use. Want to learn more? Check out the other videos on our channel or try the free starter package.